let's talk about metric units. If you were born and raised in the United States, you have had some use of metric units, but mostly you've used the English system. Metric units come in a variety of types. We have length, which is pretty much a measurement of distance, mass, which is a measurement of the total quantity of matter, and then volume, which is the amount of space occupied by a three-dimensional object. The metric unit for length is the meter, right here. It's abbreviated lowercase m. The metric unit for mass is grams, and the metric unit for volume is liters. The great thing about the metric system is it's a base 10 system. So I can say I have nanometers, or nano parts, nano something. I can have nano faces or nano hairs. Well, it's actually a little bit different. But I could say I have 10 to the 9th nanograms, and that would equal 1 gram. So I'm really just saying there are little tiny parts in one whole. And when I use the phrase nano, I'm referring to the fact that there are 10 to the 9th parts in that whole. So I can have 10 to the 9th nanograms. I could also have 10 to the 9th nanometers, which would equal 1 meter, or 10 to the 9th nanoliters, which would equal 1 liter. So notice how I could take the prefix nano and apply it to all three of our base units from the metric system, the gram, the meter, and the liter. So there are a couple of metric system prefixes that you want to be familiar with for this class, and by familiar I mean you need to have memorized it because it won't be provided on an assessment. Nano is 1, micro, milli, centi, deci, and kilo are the others. Now most of these are small parts leading to one whole. So nano, micro, milli, centi, and deci are all referring to some number of parts going to a whole. Kilo, on the other hand, if you've ever thought about a kilogram, is equal to 1,000 grams. So now we've taken our base unit and we're making some number of those, and that is equal to a kilogram, and in this case it's 1,000. There are other metric system prefixes out there, mega, giga, there's pico, nano, angstrom. They're all out there. These are the only ones that I'm asking that you become familiar with for this class because we use them fairly often.